Today we learn how to design ad for tech company from start to finish. I make ad for the contest at thefreelancer.com. So without further delay, let's start the video. I choose a contest to make ad at freelancer.com. Here's the title of contest. Employer needs a flyer ad for his website selling business. Here's a description of ad. Ad must include this data where he mentions the rate of different items. The ad must be modern, stylish, sober, etc. Here he mentioned his website. You always must watch website because we choose color of ad as per website's color. But he did not mention the size of ad. A logo JPG file is attached here. This is logo. We must add this logo in the flyer. Now let's see the website. It's very classic, nice. From here, I conclude that our banner must have a blue color as a base color. You must watch this video up to last minute. I also give tips, tricks, shortcuts about Illustrator to increase workflow. Open Adobe Illustrator. Press Ctrl or Command N to open new document. Here I create an artboard of size 1640 pixel by 624 pixel. You can choose any other size as per your requirements. Here I choose RGB color mode with 300 ppi, which means high resolution. So this is our artboard. I choose these colors for our flyer. So first of all, I draw a rectangle for the base color. M is a shortcut to select rectangle tool. Select gradient tool. Double click on the gradient tool and click on this bar. Then click on these little sliders. Then select eyedropper tool. Just press and hold shift key and click on the desired color. Then click on the another slider and keep in mind to press and hold shift button. Click on the another color. You can choose any other color as per requirement of your flyer or banner. Now I lock this rectangle. Press Ctrl or Command 2 to lock any object, or go to Object, then go to Lock and click on Selection. It's so easy. Now I create a custom shape on the side of banner. Select Pen tool. P is a shortcut to open pen tool. So first click on any point, then click on the second point and drag the mouse. Straight line will convert into a curve. In this way I draw a shape. I just made random shape here. You can also try anything else. Shape is completed. You can also change its size after completion. If you want to change shape of curve, you can also do that. Select Drag Selection tool by using shortcut A. Then select any single anchor point and adjust its position to make curve smooth. You can also adjust the length of handles to adjust depth of curve. Now I change color of shape. I give it gradient colors. Select gradient tool and give it any different colors with previous method. Keep in mind, press and hold shift while selecting the colors using eyedropper tool during using gradient tool. Now draw one more shape above it to make it cool. But I want to delete some portion of this shape. After making this shape, select both the shapes. Then select Shape Builder tool. Press and hold Alt or Option key and drag the mouse on that area which you want to delete. Select the remaining portion of shape and change its color to white and black. I reverse the direction of colors, then change its layer mode. Just click on the opacity and select screen mode instead of normal. Now white color is on the right side, but I want it on the left side. So again I change its direction. I also feel it's too white, so I decrease the opacity of white color. Now it looks cool. Similarly, I'll made one more shape at the upper right corner to make it attractive. I delete extra portion by using Shape Builder tool and also change its layer mode. Now I want to add one image on the left side of portion. So first of all, I make a rectangle here. I remove the lower part of rectangle by using Shape Builder tool. Now I drag the image into Illustrator. You can download this image from the link in the description. Adjust the size of image as per area. Now use clipping mask. But before that, I have to send the image below the rectangle. Now select image and rectangle. Right click on it and select make clipping mask. But here's some space left below the image. So to solve this problem, undo some steps. Now select image and make a copy of it. To make copy, just go to edit, then select copy. Then again go to edit and select paste in front. Our image is copied. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl or Command C to copy and then paste it by using shortcut Ctrl or Command F. Now select the image and crop it as you can see on the screen. After selecting the area, just click on apply. Now pull one side of the image and fill the blank area. Now select both the images and rectangle. Then right click on it and select the make clipping mask. But our shape is below the image. So now I move it in the top layer to make it attractive. Select all the three shapes, right click on it and go to arrange, then select bring to front. Now I add shadow of her shape. To make shadow, just select shape, go to effect stylize and then select drop shadow. Click on the preview and fill the values as per your requirements. Please do not change its mode. Play with the values of opacity, X offset, Y offset and blur. Just hit OK when you are satisfied with the results. Now I draw some curvy lines by using curvature tool. It's too easy to use this tool. It doesn't matter how many lines you draw here, it's just a part of art. Now select all the lines and change its layer mode to overlay. Now it looks cool. I also draw some lines at the right bottom corner. Similarly, I change its blend mode to overlay. Now I drag the logo of company which is provided by employer. But it's a JPG file, which means it's not a vector file. I also don't want white color at the background. So first I convert this logo to vector. Here I use image trace tool. Select image, then go to window and select image trace. Change its mode to color. No need to change any other option. Click on the preview. It will take some time to process. Now I close this image trace panel. Follow me step by step. Just click on expand, right click on the image and ungroup it. Click on the white part and drag it aside. Now delete it. Select all white parts which you want to delete and delete it. Select all the parts of logo and make a group and adjust the size and place it in the manner. Now I add some circles by using symbol separator tool. So first I made a small circle. Don't worry about the size, we will adjust it later. Now click on the symbol icon and hit on this icon to add circle as a symbol. A new dialog box will appear on the screen. Just hit OK. Delete this circle. Now select symbol separator tool. You can adjust the size of brush by using square bracket. Just click on the artboard to paste circles. In this way you can add circles easily. Now I change the size of circles non-uniformly with the help of symbol sizer tool. So select symbol sizer tool. But how to use this tool? Just click and hold on circle. The circle will start growing. If you want to decrease the size, press and hold Alt or Option key, then click on the circle. Then the circle will start shrinking. It's too easy. It will affect all those circles which are covered under the brush. I feel these curvy lines are darker, so I little decrease the opacity of these lines. You can choose any value as per your choice. Now it looks cool. I think our base is ready. So I open the ad again. Here the employer wants to add price list of 3 items. So here I create a button like shape. Here white color does not look good. So I change its color to saffron. It looks good. Please comment below if you have any query or suggestions regarding this video. Now I make 2 more copies of this button. I type the websites and change its color to white and adjust the size. Now it looks cool. I try different fonts. So here I use Gotham book. It looks cool. So different font size does not look good. So I change the size of button. Last one is e-commerce sites. To adjust the sequence as per size of button, I change the position of buttons. Now it looks cool. I adjust the size of font as well as spacing between the letters. I change the letters from capital to small. Now I add prices below the buttons. Here is a tip. Alignment plays very important role in the poster, banner or flyer. So I align letters with the buttons. So select the word apps and the button. Here you choose align to selection. Then click on horizontal align center, then vertical align center. Do the same with the other two buttons. Then I show rulers. Click on ruler and drag the mouse. A guide will appear on the screen. Check the alignment of buttons from the bottom. Alignment is okay. Now select guide and delete it. You can also add contact number and website of employer. Sometimes social media details are also added in the banner. But in our case, employer doesn't want that, so I did not add these things. Now press M, shortcut of rectangle tool. Draw a rectangle above the artboard. Now select every object on the screen. Right click and select Make Clipping Mask. Now a flyer or banner is ready. It looks cool. If you want to ask any question, you can ask in the comment section as well as on the Instagram. Please support me by just pressing the like button. If you did not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe it and press the bell icon. Thank you.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if